Good day, sir. Today, let's determine the specific term for stress. I make a separate video for this because it is hard to use a PowerPoint presentation, and for now, I'm using bond paper to explain it more clearly, sir. This question is given by the final written exam, sir. 37. Determine the specific term for stress experienced by the keel of the ship when the ship drop is forward 10.00 meters, aft 11.00 meters, and midship is 10.80 meters. This specific term of stressor is tensile stress. Why it's tensile? Because the midship is greater than the mean draft, sir. So how to calculate the mean draft? Calculation of mean draft. Mean draft equals forward draft plus aft draft divided by 2. So forward draft is 10.00 meters plus aft draft is 21.00 meters. So you then divide 2. So the mean draft is 10.50 meters. So the midship will be greater than mean draft. So it is sagging, sir. If the ship's draft is greater than mean draft, the vessel is sagging. If the tensile stress is on the keel, sir, it will be sagging. 38, sir. Determine the specific term for the stress experienced by the deck of the ship when the ship draft is forward 10.00 meters, aft 11.00 meters, and midship is 10.80 meters. So the specific term of stress is compressive, sir. It is the same, sir, with 37. A midship, sir, is same with 37, 10.80 meters. So the calculation will be the same, sir. Forward and aft draft will be divided by 2, and the midship is still greater than, sir. The specific term of stress for 38, sir, is compressive stress, sir, because if the compressive stress is on the deck, it will be sagging, sir, because the midship drop is still greater than the mean drop, sir. 39. The Determine the specific term for the stress experienced by the deck of the ship when the ship draft is forward 10.00 meters, aft draft is 11.00 meters, and midship is 10.40 meters. So to determine what specific term of stress, sir, is if the tensile stress is on the deck, sir. If the tensile stress is on the deck, sir, it will be hugging, sir, because the mean draft is greater than midship, sir. You calculate by adding this one, then divide 2, sir. This is how to determine specific term of stress, sir. If tensile stress is on the deck, sir, it will be hugging, sir. If the tensile stress is on the keel, sir, it will be sagging, sir. And the last, number 40. Determine the specific term for the stress experienced by the keel of the ship when the ship draft is forward 10.00 meters, aft draft is 11.00 meters, midship is 10.40 meters. So to determine the specific term of stress, sir, If the compressive stress is on the keel, sir, it it will be hugging, sir, because the main draft is still greater than midship, sir, because you calculate this by adding these two forward draft and aft draft divided by 2 equals 10.50 and midship is 10.40. So to determine specific term for stress is if the compressive is on the keel, it will be hugging, sir, and if the compressive is on the deck, it will be a sagging, sir. That's it, sir. Thank you.